This recording is for wood-turning club leaders that are new to managing hybrid meetings and who want to know just what internet accounts does my club need? What is the minimum deal to allow us to hold Zoom and hybrid meetings and demos, to record our events, and to post the recordings to YouTube or Vimeo? Okay, you're going to need to open 3 free accounts in the YouTube channel, and you might need a basic video editor. That sounds like a lot, but it's really not that big a deal. Here's how it works. You ought to have a club Gmail account that's attached to a real person. That's just the basis of Gmail these days. Gmail allows you to open a YouTube channel account in a channel, or a Vimeo account in a channel. And you can also open a Zoom account and download Zoom. Using Zoom, the club can meet on Zoom, record the video. You can edit it if you want, or don't edit it. Upload it to your YouTube channel. YouTube or Vimeo will give you a URL that you can use your email to send to your members so they can watch the video. You got to go to google.com to get a Gmail account. You got to go to youtube.com for a YouTube account, or else to video.com for Vimeo. YouTube will associate your account with your Gmail account, so it's quite convenient and easy to do that all in one setup. They're all the same company. And then you have to go to zoom.us and find the download for the Zoom client so that you get Zoom on your computer, allowing you to host meetings and to manage meetings and to record meetings. And if you're going to edit any videos, you'll need a video editor. iMovie is Each account will have its own account name and password. Clubs should set these up with an eye to continuity. Use the club name spelled consistently. Write down the passwords. Consider branded accounts for your club rather than an individual account associated with you. I'm looking at my browser. I'm going to click YouTube. YouTube brings up my home page. There's my picture. My picture is associated with my Gmail account. I click my picture. I go down to settings, and I can get my YouTube channel. This is your public presence on YouTube. You need a channel to upload your own videos. Your channel, create a new channel. But once you get to this menu, you can create a new channel with your brand name, which can be your club name or your own name, and it becomes a place where you can post videos for free. Here, for example, is the very nice channel homepage of the Edmonton Woodturners Guild. YouTube offers all kinds of opportunities for monetization once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 2,000 or 4,000 hours of views in a year. But people who've done that, it takes an awful lot of work and a lot of promotion, don't report very much money from it. It's not something I'm interested in for my club. How do you get a Zoom account? And I want to go to zoom.us. Getting started with Zoom. Download and install. The Zoom client is free. You can make 40-minute meetings, and you can record those meetings on your computer. The nice thing about Zoom is you can also connect both webcams and camcorders to it, and it's quite easy to switch from one camera to another. If you've opened your Zoom account, this is how your screen will appear. The free account is great for exploring Zoom, but once your club begins to hold hybrid meetings, you'll need to buy the Pro account, $150 a year, and it's quite often on sale. That gives you unlimited meetings and allows you to record to the cloud as well as on your own computer. Along with the 3 accounts and the YouTube channel, you're going to need video editing software. iMovie comes with Apple computers. Lots of choices on the PC side. Windows includes a basic video editor, as does YouTube and Vimeo, all free. And forum members have recommended AVS4U video editor for PCs. You don't need to do much video editing. In fact, you don't actually need to do any. Just post the whole recording, stalls, screen shares, and sanding, whole thing. But your videos will be much better with a very small amount of work. That is, trim the dead air from the start and end, maybe adjust the volume so everyone can hear everyone, and maybe go after long pauses in the middle and delete them, and add titles to the front and back to anyone so that anyone who finds your video can also find you, and save it with a file name and in a folder location that you can retrieve later on. It's often best to just use the software defaults. And that's about it. So next, log into YouTube or Vimeo to post your video.